So I had mentioned last video that for some reason my doorbell server, which is also serving up all the failed log and digital pictures and shit over the flash drives, with this USB hub plugged into it, it failed to boot. You turn it on, you get absolutely nothing on the screen. Disconnect the hub, it would come up, you could plug it in, everything comes up, everything's great. And then I remembered that I just did a review on this Belkin 1.1 hub. So here it is. It's just sitting up here temporarily. And look what's going on here. Now unfortunately, I don't get all the blinking lights because of the way it's configured, but you get those, they don't really do anything except red, green, 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 green. But then these are flashing away. I'll show you why. That's because I decided to back all the stuff up to various folders on this, the original digital picture frame machine. There's enough storage on the drive, even though it's only like a 17 gig drive or something. There's 5 gig free. It's plenty for now. And it'll just serve as a backup copy just to make it easier. So let me remote out of this. We have our desktop background back, and it's still copying, doing all its stuff. In about a minute or so, the screensaver will kick in, so we'll get display of the pictures while it backs up. So the shoutcast is still playing through the doorbell server, through that speaker up there. The data is still being backed up in the background. As you saw, there's 4 things chooching there. Doesn't matter how long it takes, as long as it does it, and it will. You know, there's enough free disk space and stuff like that. And it's displaying pictures. This thing down here is displaying pictures too. Oh, it's Matthias with ice cream when he was thin. And if you notice, that's a different adapter there. That Entrega 3U1E, I said it incorrectly in the other video, didn't end up working out right. I don't know if it's because it's not compatible really with XP or whatever, but basically after a reboot it would come up media not detected, as if the Ethernet weren't plugged in, and because of that it just didn't end up working out. I'll have to do a little more testing with that on another XP machine and see if I can make it work. If I can, then it just didn't want to cooperate with this machine. If I can't, well, it was designed for Windows 98 to begin with, so that's not really a great loss, although I won't be able to really make use of it because any machine that I have that would have a USB port would not be running Windows 98. It most likely would be running Windows XP. You can see every now and again the little thing blinking there. It's kind of yellow and goes like reddish. Just read the next picture, and there you go. And if you just got devoured, hooray for you. This camera does not focus on the CRT screen. I don't know why, but you'll see the picture will change. And there you go. So all 3 frames are running. Again, I'm sorry about its out of focusness, but it just refuses to. So all 3 frames are running and the backup is taking place. You can see all the flash drives being read without any problem. Everything is dancing around, doing what it's supposed to. It's actually a cool little display. So I might actually automate this backup and have it do it, you know, once a week or so. The network is just chooching right there. That's moving right there. And if we look over here, the 2 very rapidly, if it'll focus on it, well, I guess it doesn't matter if it does or not. The 2 very rapid blinkers are the uplink to the router where the server is plugged into. The other rapid blinking one is the one that is doing the, you know, receiving the data basically, if you will. And of course there's two-way transfer there. I don't know what the end one is. Oh, that's actually the one in the ceiling, which I've hardwired now. And which one the fail blog machine is, I guess whatever other one blinks. Maybe this one right over here blinks every now and again. So those are some very fun blinking lights right there. This is especially awesome. As far as having it back all this stuff up at the same time, like I said, it does do it, and it is working, as you see right here. But, you know, it doesn't need to do that. It can go sequentially one drive after the next. And it would be easy enough just to write a batch file and have that as a scheduled task for the frame to run in the living room, and that'll auto back this up once a week or so. I'm looking to hardwire the laptop I have in the garage, which, come to think of it, I should probably put a USB to Ethernet adapter on the Amazon list of stuff I'm going to buy. I already have one that I'm putting on there, but I think I should get two of them. They're only $5 and change. And I want to hardwire the stuff in the garage because wireless just sucks. And I was going to run Ethernet out there anyway ultimately, so it really doesn't make a difference. So anyway, I have a lot more networking and Telefonica type stuff coming up. I don't know exactly when I'm going to record the video, probably in a few days. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.